Brilliance Audio presents the unabridged recording of The Elegant Pitch. Create a compelling recommendation, build broad support, and get it approved. By Mike Figliuolo. Performed by Scott Merriman. This audiobook includes a PDF of the graphs and charts that accompanied the print edition. If you have purchased an audio CD version, look for the PDF on a separate disc. It appears as an additional file if you have purchased an MP3 CD or MP3 download version. Introduction. One of the most challenging tasks any professional faces is getting a recommendation approved. People pitch ideas every day. You would think they'd get good at it after all that practice. The puzzling part is they don't. The reason all their practice doesn't improve their communication skills is they're not practicing their communication skills. All too often they're practicing their analysis skills. Most of their effort is spent on running numbers, creating complex graphs, and churning out massive presentations designed to impress their audience with how rigorous they've been. That approach is broken. Audiences don't have the time or the patience to wade through ponderous reports. They want an answer, and they want it now. Add to this challenge the complexity of the matrixed environments people operate in, where competing agendas are the norm. No matter what's being recommended, someone will be upset about it. It's difficult to build support across stakeholders, let alone do so in an efficient way. When a pitch bores the audience and causes conflict among stakeholders, decisions never get made and approval is never granted. The cycle repeats itself as the person making the pitch rushes off to complete more analysis to satisfy all the issues that emerged during the meeting. Unfortunately, that extra analysis never seems to satisfy everyone's concerns, and the cycle continues unbroken. We can only break out of this dysfunctional dynamic by changing the way we approach making a pitch. Instead of putting data and analysis first, we should think through our argument and how we'll make our case. We need to consider stakeholder concerns before we start running numbers. We should build support for the idea well in advance of any decision meeting. When we shift our thinking and work through the logic before we work through the numbers.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?